A warm hello to everyone. This is Rushika Hathi from Monomosumi. And by profession, I'm a public speaker, author, and a life coach. And I'm very much glad that I have a very excellent personality with me. And I'm going to, interview him regarding his experience. And I would love to explore more about him. And let us not wait. I am here with Mr. Masid Khalate. He is an author. He is even the researcher in the field of medical microbiology. He is also selected as an international author. We are going to talk much about it nearly. He has worked as content doctor and content editor with Monomoshimi also, and he has published near about 12 books, solo as well as combined. Yes. So how are you, Mr. Masid?
I'm fine, ma'am. You?
Fine. So I welcome you in this interview and would like to know more about your experiences with Monomosomy, as well as you are even the winner of the mini contest. So this is all I wanted to know about you. So first question to you is, how did you got to know about Monomosomy?
Whenever whole world is affected by this pandemic, that time Indian government also announced the lockdown period. That time I think about I can't I use my valuable time for write. I also have a healthy reading I like to write. So that time I gradually searched on Google. That time I got a notification on Monomotion and read all the guidelines and I prepared the essay for the next month. I gradually searched it on Google.
Okay, wow. And how was the experience with Monomosim into writing and all? How did you explode us?
So grateful. The feeling very grateful being with here. So I had a lot of experience with the Monomosim team. I earned or I secured a lot of international friends working with the Monomotion as a content doctor and content editor. I earned I became my a friend internationally from Sri Lanka, Japan, so many.
Okay, that's so superb, right? And one very interesting question I would like to know from you is, what fires your passion towards writing, as you are into the researching of into the microbiology also, right? So what fired up your passion for writing?
It's one of the funniest moments to start to my writing career. When I was 9 years old, that time I had one function in my home. That time my dad told me, "Beta, you must make a anchoring this event." So that time I am shocked. Told my dad, "Daddy, I am not able to uh, make an anchoring." So my dad told, "You must do it." So that time I go to my study room, uh, sit the whole night. Then I write some tips for or some steps for the event. That time I think, oh my God, I must make my career in writing. So the spirit of this writing career, my dad, the whole credit goes to my dad.
Yes, so your dad is your inspiration, or I can say a fire into the writing career, right? Great, superb. So Masid, I want to know from you is that you have done your career into the writing. You are also an international award winner. So can you shower some light on this? You are selected as an international author. What exactly was that?
Ma'am, I can't hear you clearly. So,
Is it audible now? Am I audible? Masid, am I audible now? Just a second. Hello. So your dad is your motivation or the inspiration for writing, right? So you have already proceeded your career into the writing. So can you give our viewers or the young budding writers some tips into the creative writing?
Yes, absolutely. I can do some tips. First of all, I can to tell if you have interest in make your career in writing or it as a hobby. So first of all, you start writing. What do you feel you want to write in words? And second one, don't worry about the vocabulary. It increases day by day. It depends upon practice. How you practice and read more books, you will get a vocabulary. And third one is don't copy with the other Google or other internet. It becomes a habit. So it's affect on writer's career. So don't copy any content. Write your own words.
Yes, of course. Great message. So we should not be a copy paste person, right? Great, superb. So you are also an international, recognized as an international author. So can you share some light on that? What exactly was that?
Yes, ma'am. I have selected as an international author in Literoma. It is an international team. It has selected as me as an international author. I had first get a notification from the team for submitting my near about six books manuscript. So I had submitted my manuscript for that team, and that team checked my all plagiarism and all about the and my writing style and emotions and also the grammar mistakes. Though near about 15 days after, they messaged me, you are selected as an international author for your nice books, so good books. So they want to publish them in internet.
Wow, that would be an amazing, a memorable moment for your life, right? When I'm hearing, I'm getting the goosebumps. Great, Masid, and all the very best for the future. And one thing I want to know from you is, do you have any book recommendation that a person can improve their writing skills? Do you have any book recommendation regarding same?
Yes, one book is the book name is Dreams with Your Eyes Open. The very interesting book. Must read it, and you will improve yourself in writing.
Of course, everybody, all viewers, Masad is an international author, so you must take this tip in the count, right? So what is your opinion about reading? Do you think reading is equivalent to the writing, that both are important? What exactly your views are on the same?
From my side, reading is important than the writing. How many more and more you can read the books, you can get how to write. You can read a book and get an idea how to write book. So my side, I think reading is important than the writing.
More important than writing, yes, of course. And which is your favorite author and why? You told that it's important to read, so what is your favorite author?
Yes, sir. My favorite are many people are my favorite. One of them is Amitabh Ghosh. It is an Indian writer. He is an Indian writer. So Amitabh Ghosh is my favorite writer. He written many of the books. One of them is The Shadow Line. Is my favorite book.
Do you write in English only, or do you use your native language or something into that also you are into?
Yes, I write in most of books in English, but I would like to write in my mother tongue. It's in Kannada. I would like to write in most of English, but I would also like to write in Kannada.
You know, if you write with your mother tongue, it gives us some extraordinary feeling, right? Great. So, how would you rate us, or what are your views regarding the essay topics given by the Monomosumi? So, how interesting they are? Can you put some light on the same?
absolutely. The topics given by the Mono Muslim team are will be given. It's so interesting topics. I would like to see topics and write on this. For example, the famous or the world famous previous month title. This is most excited me. I also written on this that one. So the topics are given by the Mono Muslim team. I will rate each. I am rating it near about 9.
And what qualities a good essay or any creative writing should have? Good qualities.
From my side, the good quality of essay must took your emotions in the essay and must check your grammar and must check the plagiarism of the essay and the emotions are most important for the essay.
Of course, it should be a very much touchy, I can say, right? Yeah. So, Masid, one thing I want to know from you is that you are into the medical field. Even I have read somewhere that writing helps us, it becomes a therapy when we are upset or we are not in a mood. If we pen down all our emotions in a book, we become more calm and more better. So, what do you think about it?
Yes, absolutely. The writing is also helping medical microbiology. I have some projects on. It helps write a project. It helps write the journals, project books. Also, the writing is. I will also continue my writing in my career.
Okay, great. Any future books you are about to publish or something you want to convey to the audience?
Sorry.
Any future books you are writing currently and you want to convey to our audience?
Yes. I am writing a one book on it depends upon my home field. It's a clinical and applied biochemistry. It's a nice book. I writing this one current. So, guys, you want to read it or refer it? Please refer it. My book.
We are very much glad that you are a part of our team. And any message you want to give to our future writers or who are new into the writing? Any message to our writers?
Yes, I have already told you the writers should have a quality to took emotions in the writing, and must you have a lot of level for write your feelings in the words, and must you need to check your grammar firstly, and you must took your emotions in your writing, so you definitely get a success in your life.
Yes, so Masid has become an international author. So we are very much glad that we got got his time for interviewing him. And Masid, would you like to share any of your experience which is memorable to you in terms of writing? Any experience?
Yes, I have a lot of experience here in writing. When I writing my first book, that time that time I not much have that vocabulary. That time I must uh, need that time vocabulary. So that time I read a most and more books and taken some important paragraphs, some important lines from most of the books. Whenever I read, I note down that one. And whenever I writing a book, that time I thinking my old read book. So what can I suitable for this book? That was I am taken that book. So it book become a very good for presenting. So that's it.
Wow, that's so great that every author has a memorable experience in writing. This was very good. So, Master, anything you want to convey, or we should end our interview? I think you have, in very short time, you have given us entire information. A full package of information to the budding writers, right? So, anything you want to tell us to our audience, or what?
Yes. So I can suggest to the whole writers or the competitors, you must go to monomotomy. Monomotomy is one of the wonderful stage to present you yourself. So first time when I go to the monomotomy, that time in April, I given my essay to the competition. That time I got an outstanding performance in the internationally. So interested writers and competitors must go to monomotomy. Monomotomy is a wonderful stage for present you. And I worked as a content doctor and content editor for 4 months for monomotomy. It gives a lot of huge experience with my project head Tanmoy sir, and my lot of friend circle is increased in this platform. So interested content or competitors, should you use this stage? It's a wonderful stage for us.
Yes, of course. Yes, Master. It's pleasure having you with us, and even being a public speaker, I also at the initial stage before 1.5 or 2 years, even I used to write with the monomotomy at the initial stage. And the best thing I found was that budding writers can keep this certificate if you are winning the prize into their portfolio also, that it counts. So it has a huge value. So even me with Masid, even I can tell you as a team of monomotomy. So we together recommend you to please write, please express your feelings, and yes, be the warrior. Like you are writing, so keep writing. Don't stop at one stage. So thank you so much, Masid. That was great having you with us. We are coming with more interviews, and thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you. Thank you. Feeling grateful having you here.